Hi, it's Risa Lou. Today we're making a vegan smoothie. So I've worked pretty hard at coming up with a recipe here that still has protein, not too much sugar, and no added protein powder. Now you can always add protein powder if you want. I don't prefer it myself because I think it alters the taste too much. So I've come up with different ways to get in our protein without Greek yogurt. Let's get started. Today we're making a strawberry blueberry smoothie. So our first ingredient today is 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Next we have half a cup of blueberries. Today we're going to add spinach. This is 1 cup of washed baby spinach. Today I've chosen to use soy milk because soy milk has more protein than my favorite almond milk. So we're using 1/3 cup of soy milk. Today we're adding in some slivered almonds. This is just 1/8 cup and it's to add some extra protein without adding too many calories. Now we have our chia seeds. These are also good for extra protein. I've got 2 teaspoons here. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of water. And last but not least, 1/4 cup of ice to keep it nice and cold. Okay, let's taste our vegan smoothie. It's so good. The strawberries and blueberries really stand out even though there is spinach and almonds in here. I hope you make one. This is really good. Thank you so much for joining me.